Hello friends, welcome to our channel Green Alive. Here we will discuss BCD addition and BCD subtraction. We will start with BCD addition. There are some rules to perform BCD addition. If no carry out of one of the group to the next group and sum is not an illegal code, then there is no correction needed. Second rule is if there is any carry or the sum term is an illegal code, then 6 is added, means 0110 is added to the sum term of that group and resulting carry is added to the next group. This is done to skip the 6 illegal states. First, we should know what are 6 illegal states. We will perform our BCD addition and subtraction using 8421 codes. We know that BCD codes are from 0 to 9 and the from 10 to 15 are called illegal BCD codes. To make our answer correct, we will have to add or subtract 6 from the answer. Let's take an example to understand it better. We will add 25 and 13 and get the answer 38. Now we will perform this addition using BCD codes. Now we will write code for 25. As we know, each digit is represented as a group of 4 bits in BCD code. So for 2 it is the number, it is the code, and for 5 it is the code. Similarly for 13 this is the code. Now we will add these two. We know that for addition we will follow the pattern here. If we add 1 to any number, we will get the next number, and if we subtract 1 from any number, we will get the back number. We will follow this approach. Now we will add this. 1 plus 1 means we are adding 1 to this one, we will get 1 0. So this will be the answer and this will be carry forward. So here this will be the answer, means 0 is here and 1 will be carry forward. Now this 1 will be added to this one, again we will get 1 0. So 0 will be here and 1 will be carry forward. Now we will add this one and this one plus this 0. So we will get 1 0. So 0 will be here and 1 will be carry forward, and this 1 will be added to this 0 and we will get 1 here. Similarly we will add this also. 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, and 0 plus 0 is 0. So it will be the code. We can see here that there is no carry from one group, means from lower group to the higher group. So there is no need to correct the code. As we can see also here, this code is valid code, means from 0, it lies from 0 to 9 in 8421 code. It is 8 and it is 3. So this is the correct answer. So no need to add 6 here. This is 3 and this is 8. This is the same as in the decimal addition. Now we'll do one more question for more clarification. Now we have taken this number 679.6 and 536.8. After adding we will get this answer. Now we will perform using BCD addition. This is the code for this number and this is the code for this number. Now we will add this using the same approach. Now we can see 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Point is here 1, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1. Also 1 plus 1 means 1 0. 0 is here and 1 is carry forward. Then see here, when we add this one to this one, it becomes 1 0, and when we add one more here, it will get 1 1. So 1 will be here and this one will be here and this one will be carry forward. So this 1 plus 1 will be 1 0, it is 0, and 1 will be carry forward. So and this will be added to this 0 and 0, so it will be 1 here. Now similarly 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 1 is 1 0, 0 is here and 1 is carry forward. 1 plus 0 is 1. So this is the answer. We can see all the codes are illegal as they are exceeding from 9, means 1001, means we can see here 1001 up to this code they are legal. After they becomes illegal codes. All these illegal states will be corrected by adding 6 to each group. So we will add 6 to each group, means 0110. It is the code for 6. Now we will add this. After adding this, we will get this number. When we add this, we will get this number, and 1 is carry after doing all the addition. Now the correct number is, we can see it here, this one, this is for 2, this is for 1, this is for 6 point, and this is for 4. This is the correct answer after correcting the code by adding 6 to it. Now we can see the addition is same as in the decimal addition. Now we'll discuss BCD subtraction. The rule for BCD subtraction is, if there is no borrow from the next higher group, then no correction is needed. If there is borrow from the next higher group, then 6 is subtracted from the difference term. And this all is done to skip the 6 illegal states. Now we will take an example to understand it better. Now this is the example. We are subtracting 15 from 38 and the answer is 23 in case of decimal subtraction. Now we'll perform it using BCD 8421 code. We are using 8421 code. This is the code for 3 and this is the code for 8 here, and similarly for 15 it is the code. Now we'll subtract. When we are subtracting 1 from any number, we will get the number previous that number. Means if we are subtracting 1 from this number, we will get this number. We can see here that 0 from 0 we cannot subtract 1. So we will borrow from here. It will become 1 0. Now 1 will be subtracted from 1 0. When 1 is subtracted from 1 0, we will get the previous number, means 1. So here the answer will be 1. Now it will become 1. Now we will subtract 0 from 1, we will get 1. Now it will also be 1. So 1 from 1 will get 0. It will become 0 because we have borrowed from here. So it will be 0. So answer will be 0. Now 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 0 will be 1. And 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 will be 0. So we can see here all the groups, means all the codes are legal codes. Because we have not borrowed from one group to another group, so the code is legal. So it is the correct answer. Let's take an example for better clarity. This is the BCD code for these decimal numbers. Now we will subtract. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. Now we cannot subtract 1 from 0, so we will borrow. We will borrow from here. It will become 1 0. So it will be 1 0. 1 0 minus 1 will be 1. Now it will be 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now we can see we have borrowed, so it will be 0. Now we will have to borrow from here, so it will become 1 0. Now 1 0 minus 1 will be 1. Now it will become 0 as borrowed from here. Now we will have to borrow from here. So when we borrow from here, it will be 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1 will be 1. All the numbers from here to here will be 1. So 1 minus 0 will be 1. Here also 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. 1 minus 0 will be 1. And 1 minus 1 will be 0. 1 minus 0 will be 1. And this is also 1 minus 1 will be 0. And as borrowed from here, so it will be 0. So 0 from 0 will be 0, and all these are 0. So this is the number. We can see here that we have borrowed from each next higher group for each group, and also these codes are illegal states. So we have to make corrections by subtracting 0 1 1 0 from each group, means it is 6. So when we will subtract 6 from each group. Now after subtracting, we will get this. We can see here that this is equals to 5, this is equals to 8, and this is equals to 9. This is the same number as in the decimal subtraction. So this is the correct answer. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.